Have you ever wondered what your body is made of? Just like a building is made of bricks, every living organism is made of tiny living units called cells. You cannot see most cells with your naked eye because they are microscopic. You can see them with a microscope. Yet, these tiny structures are responsible for everything your body does, from breathing and growing to thinking. Today, we'll understand everything about cells in the simplest way possible. A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. Let's understand this sentence. Structural unit. Cells form the structure of every living organism. For example, skin is made of skin cells. Muscles are made of muscle cells. Every tissue and organ is made up of cells. Functional unit. Cells also perform all life activities. Every cell can take in nutrients, produce energy, remove waste, grow, divide, respond to its surroundings. That's why a cell is called the basic unit of life.